In this video, we look at the knife and polybuild tools. Let's get started. We can now move on to the knife tool. This tool allows you to manually cut new edges into the mesh. First, tap back to Object Mode and press X to delete. Press Shift+S to open the Snap menu and ensure the cursor is back at the world origin. From the Add menu in the Mesh section, choose a cube. Tab back into Edit mode now. To initiate a cut, left-click on an edge, which adds the first point of the cut. The edge that you are adding is now displayed, and on the bottom info bar, different options for the tool such as midpoint and angle become accessible. Hovering on the corner vertex or on an edge will cause the box to highlight, indicating where the next point will snap. Click on the edge, then hover on a corner vertex and click there. To complete the cut, press Enter. Note that this method doesn't cut all the way through the mesh. To achieve a complete cut through the mesh, the cut through command can be used. For this, align the cut to the view by coming into a top view. Click an edge here for the first point. Notice that on the info bar below, the cut through setting is currently off. Press C to toggle it on. To straighten the cut, press A for the angle constraint. With the edge now straight, click to add the second point. Press Enter to confirm. Rotating around the object, you'll notice the edge has been added all the way around the entire mesh. Clicking and holding on the knife tool reveals a second tool called the Bisect tool. To demonstrate this, add a new cube by first tabbing back to Object Mode, press X to delete the current cube, and since the cursor is at the world origin, press Shift+A and from Mesh, add a new cube. Tab back into Edit mode. Press numpad 1 to return to a front orthographic view. This Bisect tool has the power to cut right through an object, but you must have the object selected. Press A to select everything. To initiate the cut, click away from the selected object. Drag down and left click. You can fine-tune the cut using the manipulator, and the options let you adjust both the position and shape of the cut. The clear inner and outer options give you control to remove one side of the cut. Clicking away on the screen finalizes the cut. Next, we can explore the polybuild tool, an invaluable asset for retopology, the process of creating a low poly version of your model. First, tab back to Object Mode and delete the cube. From the Add menu, select the plane this time. Press G, Z and drag it upwards. Tab back into Edit mode to use the polybuild tool. Hover on an edge to highlight it, then left click and drag to create a new edge. Pressing Ctrl will create a triangle from an edge. To delete a face, press and hold Shift. Hover to highlight the face in red, and then left click to remove that face. This tool is highly effective for retopology, often used in conjunction with a shrink wrap modifier and face snap enabled, greatly accelerating the process.